PG here. Today I'm going to show you some of the parts that I'm going to use for a budget build for around $450. And just to show you guys, some of it is used. So let's begin. What I'm going to use for memory is a ballistic Sport from Crucial. It's an 8GB gig, meaning 2 4 gigs. It's clocked at 1866 MHz and it's DDR3. For the CPU, I actually had this CPU for a long time. It's an Intel Pentium G2030. It's an LGA 1155. It's clocked at 3 GHz and no boost clock. It's a dual core with only 2 threads, and it's got 3 megs cache. For the cooling, I'm going to use a Deepcool Gamax 300. It's got a 120mm fan on it, and yeah, it says it's quiet, so hopefully we'll see. Interesting, this is a GTX 460 from Inno3D. I had this for 7 years now and still no problems with it. For the elastic is the cooler broke off, and yeah, I had to put a new one on but didn't find any. One of the fan blades broke off, so I did use double-sided tape to balance out the fan again. Its core is clocked at 750 MHz and its memory is clocked at 1900 MHz. It's got 2 6-pin external power. It's got 2 dual DVIs and a mini HDMI. So we'll overclock this thing and show you guys in another video. And then I'm going to use a Gigabyte HD6760, sorry guys. It's clocked at 775 MHz, its core. It's got 800 CUDA cores and 1000 MHz memory clock. It's got 1 6-pin external power and yeah, 120mm fan and 1 dual DVI, a gold-plated HDMI, and a display port. So yeah. Oh, and this is the case that I'm going to use for the build. Some of the parts are already in it. I'll show you guys later about it. And yeah, I think I ordered a 1 terabyte hard drive, SATA. Runs at 7200 RPMs. So yeah, I'll overclock it and show you guys how a budget PC of the 2nd generation Pentium will run. And yeah, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I see you guys in the next video.